I want to tell you this from the bottom of my heart. I want to tell you this from the bottom of my heart. If you really want to make genuine money online, it's not only online, offline, anything. There are three things you must have. Three things you must have. And if these three things are lacking in your life, you find it very difficult to make money unless you don't want to be a business owner, unless you want to be a salary owner. Number one is that you must have a product that you want to sell. Number two is that you must have audience that you want to sell to. And number three is that you must know how to get all those audience to give you money for your product. Like these three must be incomplete. And if you have three of them, if you have 2 out of 3 of them, you're not going to succeed. You must have a product that you want to sell to people, being it a product that you want to sell to people, being it an ebook, a course, a software, your service, your consultation, one-on-one coaching. You must have a way that you're offering value to people. Even those people that are watching their videos and they're telling this how to make money, they have a product they are selling, and at the end of the day, most of them will recommend their product to you. So it can be graphic design, it can be video editing, you can be let me tell you something. If you are not valuable, if you cannot pick out one problem that you can solve for other person other than you, you're not gonna make money. You must have something that whenever, like, you are very sure that if someone have this problem, you're gonna solve it for them. You are very sure that when someone have a problem of video editing, you're gonna edit the video for them. You are very sure that when someone have a problem of landing page, you're gonna be the landing page for them. There is no how you make money if you're not valuable. But I don't know why a lot of these people don't actually share these things in their videos. It's almost impossible for you not to make sale if you're not valuable, to another person other than you, be it through consultation, product. And so that is the first thing you have to have. The second one is you must have audience that are willing to buy your product. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows that you exist, you're not gonna make money. Yeah, you must have audience who are willing to pay you money for your product. And number three, you must know how to get those audience to give you money for your product. Like if you have a great product, you have a great audience, but if you don't know how to get them to give you money for your product, you're still not gonna close this. You're still not gonna make money. So you need these three things incomplete. You have product to sell, audience to sell to, and how to get those audience to give you money for your product. This is not something I haven't watched this. I haven't. There is no way you see this thing in Google. You will not see it in Google. I came down, I realized that I sit down and ask myself some certain question, and I realized that these are the three things you need to make money. A product, you must be valuable, audience to sell to, and how to get those audience to give money for a product. So after watching this video, I don't want you again to go on YouTube or Google, TikTok and start searching how to make money online. In fact, what I want you to do is pick a problem that you want to solve for people. Is it copywriting, video editing, graphic design, building landing page, building website, helping people with business automation? And the next thing I want you to start searching on Google is how to become a best graphic designer, how to become a best video editor, how to become a best copywriter. Start searching something that is related to that thing that you are specialized on. And then after specializing, developing yourself, gaining mastery, you come down to building audience. You learn how to build audience. After building audience, you learn how to get those audience to buy your products. So this is not something that I'm telling that I've gained mastery. This is something I realized and sat down yesterday and discovered for myself. And recently, I'm actually practicing sales and marketing like my life depends on it. Once I gain mastery in sales and marketing, I can then build audience and then learn how to get, okay, I've already, in fact, as I'm mastering sales and marketing, I'm building my audience at the same time. And so since it sells, learning how to get those audience to give me money for my products would be a problem. You get the point? So if you really want to make money online, these are the three things you must have: audience and products, audience and sell. So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and look up for the next video.